Alright, welcome back guys. It's Beauty and the Beast here with Already Property Management Services. This is snowplow property. It's an Airbnb. This is on the second day of the storm that we had yesterday. Cut a path, clean out the deck, clean off the furniture. And another walkway path here. The path going this way. 13 inches they got into the back door. That's done. Got the plow the driveway. Another fine job by Already. Where's Beauty? Beauty's somewhere around there. And then you got the Beast. Rawr. The Beast. Where's the Beast? You got the Beast. Alright guys. Thanks guys. Can I get you guys to hit that like button and the subscribe button? And I'll appreciate it. So I can keep making videos for you guys. I have so many more to come. I just haven't edited any of them. I like to get rolling. But the numbers are slowly climbing. Very, very slow. 166 I think we're at now. I like to get up to 1,000 by the end of the month. How about it guys? Can you make that happen for me, man? I appreciate you all. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Later.